Hey guys, Bubbles here. I'm gonna do a little taste test of this new thing that I got from yesterday from my little friend. So happy 4th of July! Woohoo! Happy Independence Day! So I already ate two yesterday, and I already one right now, and I'm gonna taste test one mini donut and a whatever this is, I think churro or something. And this is from Yum Yum Donuts. What? Yum Yum Donuts. Right? Yeah. Okay, so let me taste test this donut, I guess. It tastes like glazed donut from Dunkin'. And Krispy Kreme. Yeah. So these are like a 10 out of 10. And then I'm gonna taste this churro, kind of whatever it's called. And it smells like churro. Okay. It's less sweet than a churro. I'll do a 7.5 out of 10. Yeah. So, this is a new place I've tasted. I've tried. Okay, that's about the video. Give a like, subscribe, comment down below what other taste test or any videos I should do. Thank you. I love you. And bye.